Hello, this is Don Silberman with PI Physik Instrumente in the Irvine, California office, sharing with you some information about our new Q-845 SpaceFAB Precision 6-axis degrees of freedom micro robot. With one SpaceFAB Q-845, all 6 degrees of freedom can be moved without additional positioning elements, and the non-preloaded design can carry close to a kilogram centered mounted. I'm about to show you a demonstration of this system and how it operates, and then I'll show you a little bit about this prototype controller system that we have. And the SpaceFAB systems are driven by piezo stick slip motors, that is the Q motion versions. And we have a special optical linear encoder, and that provides very high repeatability and resolution. So I'm going to remove this, and here's our SpaceFAB system. And we'll just zoom in on that, or zoom out a little bit. There we go. And now we'll go ahead and start the homing sequence. This process calibrates all the systems and makes sure that everything is operating properly. And now the system is centered on X, Y, and Z, theta X, theta Y, theta Z, all 0. And now I'll start moving some of these axes just a little bit so you can see how they move in each of the 6 degrees of freedom. And now I'm moving in the X direction. And that's 1 millimeter of travel at each click. And now I'll move in the theta X direction. And you can see the tipping of the platform on the top. And now we'll try the Z direction. And now you can see all of the platforms moving up at the same rate. And we can move them back down. So it's moving down in the Z-axis now. We'll move back up a little bit. We're going to move in the Y direction now, in the minus Y direction. And we'll go one more. And now we'll go in the minus theta Y direction. And you can see the top platform tilting again. At this point in the demonstration, I'm going to home the system back to 0 again, and then we'll put a load of 350 grams on the platform. And here's the load. It says 350 grams on it. We can see if we can move a little bit farther back and see what the load looks like. There it is. There's the load. And we'll go ahead and start moving again. This time we'll start in the theta Z direction, and we'll rotate this. And you can see the little cutout in the back moving. And now we'll go in the minus theta Y direction. That's a tipping off to the right. And now we'll go in the plus x direction, another tip direction, theta x direction. Well, I think we should go back. We'll go ahead and home the system again. Sometimes if you get near the edge of one of the degrees of freedom, so we'll start with the theta x this time. And you can see it's tipping towards the back. And now we'll go towards the front again. And now in the z direction, minus z. And plus z. And that's minus y. And minus y again, so it's moving back away from the camera. And now we'll come back towards the camera. So that ends our demonstration for the moment. And then we'll show some photographs of the controller system. It's a prototype controller system. It's currently based on a Delta Tau with PI's proprietary E870 drivers that drive each of the piezo stages. Thanks very much for your interest and for watching this video.